Cheers. Oh my goodness, it's drippy.
It's really hot.
Delicious.
Too. So good, y'all. Hey guys, Chef Lindsay here. So today we are going to make the egg sandwich that apparently has gone viral on TikTok. So we had a friend send us over the link, of course, to watch the video, and we watched it and we were like, oh my gosh, this is truly perfect for a base recipe and also looks super delicious and fun. So I already made it at home, but Lindsay has not. So we're gonna make it today together, and I'm gonna kind of like walk us through the steps. So right now I have a pan preheating, but I did learn the hard way, do not heat your pan too hot. Like we normally advise for scrambling eggs, because in this case we need it to be slow, and you do need a non-stick pan. This is very important or this recipe won't work. So we're gonna start with 2 eggs.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and crack these.
Crack the eggs and then go ahead and scramble them. And while you do that, I'm gonna cut this giant chunk of cheese.
Yum.
So we're actually at Chef Lindsay's parents' house. Oh, did you see that? That was a terrible slice.
Oh no, but keep it, that looks good.
And so we were just really looking through their fridge to see what they have on hand to make this recipe. And her dad happens to have the same favorite cheese as I do. So I was really excited. It's Manchego. That was a better slice, so that'll be good. I'm gonna cut off the rind.
Just gonna grab a...
Yeah, and our eggs, you noticed, guys, were brown. So do you think there's a difference between brown and white eggs? Like they need like little Jeopardy music.
Yeah, and actually we have 2 different eggs in here. Look, see the yolks are a little
Oh yeah, look at the
different.
color difference.
Yeah.
So I already know. That one's the free range and then that's the not free range.
That's right. So the free range have more variety of what to eat in their diet and often pack that nutrition in because they have that variety to consume during the day. And so therefore the free range yolk is brighter and more nutritious.
More nutritious.
Yeah.
You are what you eat and you are what you eat eats. And
we'll write that down for you.
We will, it's really hard to say. The brown eggs and white eggs really are truly the same. It's just chickens lay different color of eggs. So my sister has chickens and they lay these beautiful blue eggs, which are always really fun. And her yolk actually are even darker than that. They're like this super rich orange, which I always love. Okay,
no,
so
awesome.
Lindsay's, oh, go ahead.
I wanted to interrupt you for a minute. I just put a little bit of salt and pepper into these eggs, and we do that because I know a lot of people stay away from salt, but actually it enhances flavor. So you really want a little bit of salt in all of your cooking when you make it. So just to flavor to taste is really important, and not to have a heavy hand. We're not saying just always add salt, but just a little bit to enhance the flavor.
And it's better to add it now versus after. You'll actually end up using less if you infuse a food like eggs or something kind of more wet like that, I guess is the way to put it.
Yeah.
During cooking instead of after. Okay, so a lot of the recipes we saw online, people used butter, which we love butter, nothing wrong with some butter. But we're big fans of extra virgin olive oil. We consider this liquid gold. It is the oil and healthy fat used in the Mediterranean, and so much research to support its brain and heart health. And it works deliciously on this sandwich. So I'm gonna add, I normally wouldn't measure, but we're doing this for you guys. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons. You really just need to like coat the bottom of the pan. Throw that in the sink. And then I just kind of swirl it around to coat. And then once it kind of gets a little bit of a shimmer in it, Lindsay can pour on the eggs.
So since we're at my parents' house and kind of just picking up what they have and making this delicious sandwich, we're using a crepe pan today, but because we're gonna flip it, so the edges aren't up high, hopefully more success in flipping, and it just fits our bread.
I told Lindsay this is like, I shouldn't scare you, like it's not hard to flip, but it's more difficult than like pancakes, if you will, I think.
She said it's hard.
Maybe I'm wrong.
She's gonna flip it.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm gonna flip it. And I also just realized we didn't really explain what our base recipes are. So we told you this, like we saw this concept and like, oh wow, so perfect for our base recipes. So our base recipes are more like formulas than a written traditional recipe with like strict guidelines. So like in this base recipe, we're using the 2 eggs and bread, but then you can change up so many of the things yourself. So even in the eggs, we could have sprinkled some different spices, right? And then for the toppings, we can add, we have some. I mean, you can still.
Can I just do a little bit?
Yeah, do it.
This is taco seasoning.
Some homemade taco seasoning.
I don't know, I mean, it's gonna be delicious with cheese and tomato.
It is. You know what, I need to wash my hands real quick because I touched the raw egg.
Let's
I might
do
be
that.
off camera.
So we have a little salt and pepper like we said, and now we're doing a little homemade taco seasoning. But really, you can use anything, whether it is a pre-made seasoning blend or, like I said, whatever you have in your pantry.
Whatever is on hand. We also thought maybe like some hot sauce when you scramble the eggs. That could be fun to season it up. But you'll notice these are cooking kind of slow. So when I made it at home, I made the mistake, like I've kind of alluded to, I put the heat too high and it was like a mad dash. Like the egg was setting and I was like, ah! I'm like screaming while I do it. So we're waiting till the eggs just get set to be able to flip this whole thing over. So that's gonna be really exciting in just a second, but we wanted to show you.
It's gonna be really exciting.
Really exciting, I still might scream. We wanted to show you these two ginormous spatulas. So Lindsay wasn't confident her mom would have a big one, so she brought hers from home, and then we found this one.
Was this on the Stoutfire?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. And we got really excited because this is gonna make it even easier. So I think, y'all, let me check. It looks like, and this crepe pan does make it really easy. Oh, look, it's already folding. That's okay. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna flip it.
Oh, we're good.
Okay,
You're good.
now, so Lindsay, if you would like to put on our toppings. So we just looked what's in the fridge. So you don't have to do, I saw so many of the videos with like tomato, I think it was tomato and iceberg lettuce, which I was like, I wouldn't put iceberg lettuce on an egg sandwich. Not even because I'm not a fan of iceberg, just lettuce. Arugula or spinach makes more sense to us. We found some arugula. I think I'll do cheese first.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're doing our delicious
manchego.
One
side.
Yep, just one side, and then I'm gonna flip the whole thing to
close it.
close
I should
it.
put on that side so I watch you flip all the toppings. That would be mean.
Oh wait, that one I left just leave that, that's enough. I left the,
so?
what am I saying? The rind, it's kind of stinky.
That's sad.
Okay, and then some arugula. I think that's enough tomato, right?
I really wanted to pile it high so she had more trouble.
Well, this is gonna be easy. I'm just gonna flip this part. Like we got through the hard part, y'all. And hopefully you can see like how many ways you could change this. We wanted to put some avocado, but our avocado was looking really ugly.
Oh, that looks so good.
Do you see that? It's like French toast. So avocado would be really good. What else would you do?
That's beautiful.
Definitely different cheeses.
Really good. You know, I may even put like some herbs on it. Like if I did a tomato basil would be delicious.
Oh, right, we thought
like
of that.
Like a real simple.
Or like caprese, so you could do like mozzarella, tomatoes, basil, like a balsamic drizzle. This is technically done, but like I think I want it a little more brown. What do you think, Lindsay?
Yeah, I like a little brown.
So I'm just gonna flip it again. And it gets
my French toast.
It's like French toast. It's so pretty. Here, we'll angle it just in case you can't see.
Angle it again, too.
I think we found a secret of using a crepe pan if people have them. It made it really easy. You do have to be mindful of like the size of the pan too, and just make sure your bread slices are gonna fit side by side. We didn't mention the bread, so we use sourdough bread. So we always encourage everyone to use whole grain bread or sourdough. And so whole grain bread, definitely right, whole grain, so it's full of fiber and all these like great phytonutrients to help fight off disease and things. Sourdough bread is different than normal white bread because of how it's made. So it's actually rich in prebiotics and the digestion is slower in your body than traditional white bread because of the fermentation process. So it's really like a close second. And I'm a big Blue Zones geek, and it is like the bread, I'll say, of the Blue Zones area they found. Like they were eating sourdough bread. So the people in the Blue Zones lived longer to 100. Okay, should I give it one more flip just to see? Let's do the other side.
Oh, it's looking perfect. And the olive oil too. A lot of people, like Sheffy said, don't use olive oil for most of their cooking.
Extra virgin
olive oil. But it is not smoking. It's really just giving a nice little sizzle on the pan. And is perfect for this sandwich and so many other.
And really for scrambling eggs. I use it all the time. I know butter is like the American and French thing, but I learned to love the extra virgin olive oil with eggs, honestly, when I was in Spain, because I lived with a lady and that's what she used to make her scrambled eggs, and I thought it was delicious. So we're gonna cut that in half and taste it on camera.
That looks really pretty.
It does.
Fact, I'm just gonna, move it over a little bit to the center.
Kind of sad we're gonna cut it in half and take a bite right now because we'd have a really pretty picture opportunity.
And because you don't wanna sit with us all day waiting for it to cool, we are gonna cut that.
Okay, you get to watch us. It's so pretty.
It looks good and melty. I would
so
like
hot,
some
though.
avocado though.
I would too.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay,
we're gonna
wait.
taste it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my goodness, it's drippy.
It's really hot.
Delicious.
So good, y'all. Give it a try. Make it your own.
Okay.
I think that's it. Go make it. Tell us what you did, how you changed it, and made it your own to your taste.